got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Plug it up. Leave it open. I see you swapped it up, man.
I did.
Yeah.
Platinum.
Yeah.
They all worn out.
Oh, you know you wore them out.
They lasted about 2 years though.
Oh, it was good. Yeah, it was real good. What you running here now?
The Trinity H's.
Yes, sir. 8 of them.
Yep, 8 Trinity H's on 420Ks.
Oh, you got plenty of them. Let them know they can find you on social media, man.
What's that?
Let them know they can find you on social media anywhere.
MOI Audio.
Hey, y'all know what it is. Y'all be sure to tag them down below. It's a good thing, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.